The CalendarRules integration is one of many on Clarra that makes your experience more efficient and compatible with your existing workflow. This integration works in conjunction with a variety of features on Clarra to ensure you never miss a deadline. You can use the CalendarRules on Clarra to automatically adjust events' dates based on trigger events according to the court rules for a selected jurisdiction. This allows you to create accurate deadlines with just a few clicks, and enables automatic updates for events affected by trigger events. CalendarRules requires its own subscription separate from Clarra. We have articles on our support site that show you how easy it is to enable the CalendarRules integration and describe even more of the benefits it provides. Let's look at how to calculate a docket with CalendarRules when creating a new event. This will calculate the dates for events related to the event we're creating. You can use this feature for existing events as well, which we'll briefly review at the end. Let's say we're creating an upcoming discovery cutoff. Enter the required information for the event, including its code, date, and time, as well as its description. Make sure to select the matter the event is associated with. When you've finished filling in the fields you'd like, scroll to the bottom and press Save and Calculate Docket. This takes us to the docket calculator, where we can select the jurisdiction relevant to the matter, as well as the trigger item, in this case, discovery cutoff. Confirm the date and time and press Calculate to see the list of events that can be affected by this trigger event. You can select individual events, select all, and deselect as necessary. Press Next to review the selected events. You can make a variety of edits to events on this page, updating their time and duration, entering event codes, changing the time zone and status, as well as setting reminders, and even editing the event description, note, and manually changing the event date. Clarra offers a highly convenient and effective AI event code generator, which analyzes each event to automatically fill their event codes. This is a major time saver, especially when there are many related events. Let's enter a reminder for an event, a helpful way to make sure we're always well aware and notified of what's coming. You can select multiple reminders for an event. You can save these changes as a draft or save them directly to their associated matter, so that the updated dates take effect. Once saved, you can edit the trigger event should its date change or you'd simply like to update its information, and the affected events will subsequently and automatically update to reflect the changes. To edit a trigger event, click on the event and press Edit. You can view the related events it affects and edit them as we did on the previous page. Related events can be edited independently from the trigger event, and editing them does not remove their link to the trigger event. To change the date of the trigger event, all you have to do is select a new date on the calendar. Scroll down and press Save and Calculate Docket, and confirm that you would like to recalculate the related events with the new trigger date. Make any additional changes, as we reviewed before, and press Save to Matter. That's all it takes. With the CalendarRules integration, you can easily and reliably keep track of and update deadlines, saving you time and ensuring events are calendared correctly. For more information on CalendarRules, other integrations, and events more generally, visit our support site.